the pipe connection from the pump, from the well. This connection, they will travel to North Depa Field, maybe there in the refinery. They will collect all the oil in that storage before they will send to maybe in Brega or AGW, I don't know, but there is a line already. Now the problem, the electric transformer is not yet installed. Maybe they will install this later after the workover finish, because the workover will begin as soon as possible. The workover manager is Gao, Mohandes Gao. He is in Wahay. They will come here. Maybe rig 4 or rig 5, I don't know. But for sure they will come. Maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow. And my crane is there. We are waiting. But they told me my job is finished. So what can I do? I'm waiting for my brother Noel. If he received my salary, I will go directly to Brega. Inshallah. Now almost all everybody finished. And now the remaining job is this rubbish. We need to collect all the rubbish because the Waha Mudir speak to JLX. All rubbish must be removed. So they will remove. And everything is seems to me normal. So Mohandes Bagas, that is my only story. And inshallah, if my brother Noel, he received the plus, everything will be okay. And I will go to my location, to my rental house in Brega, near the Siricabaos. That is Buaba number 1. That is my location. So the rig down, complete, and nothing here except the well. Everything is removed to another location. The another location is Comustas Kilo from here, 15 kilometers away from here. And this is the situation. And because this is the order of the Waha Mudir. And this is only my, I don't know what happened here.